Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Wednesday 16th of September. Looking at euro dollar on Fed day, FOMC tonight, and euro dollar is picking up actually. Interesting move that we've seen. Euro dollar just slightly now sort of riding higher a little bit. Little bit of a rollover yesterday. It's interesting that we saw 119 big figure high that was underneath the 119.15 area of resistance that we saw last week's high, and the market is sort of drifting back to that uptrend again. That uptrend has held, and it continues to hold. However, sort of this morning I started to air the potential that could this be a rally that starts to peter out again. I think essentially euro dollar, I mean, it is ranging basically sideways. 17 figure is a broad measure to 20 big figure, so 300 pips there or thereabouts, a little bit above that, 16.95 up to 120.10. So yeah, is that a range? I'm not sure. I think this is sort of middle of the road territory at the moment on euro dollar, because it worries me a little bit that the euro is likely to be talked down at 120, but essentially I'm still playing for a weaker dollar, so that adds up to a bit of a cancellation out and possibly a range, and that's essentially where we've seen euro dollar in the past 6 to 7 weeks. So interesting that we see this effectively back towards sort of midpoint area of that range in front of the Fed, picking up from 1825 overnight, rebounding from the low that we've seen this week actually, but essentially is this just sort of biding time essentially in front of the Fed meeting? I think it could be how the Fed comes across tonight, whether it's as dovish as perhaps the market had been anticipating, or perhaps even more dovish, will be interesting, because if it is that, then you're going to see euro dollar back at 120 again. At that stage you're likely to see the euro talked down by the ECB again, so I think you're going to get this sort of tit for tat swinging around on euro dollar, and that sort of range that we've got developing pretty much plays into that. But we'll know more tomorrow as to how the euro and the dollar are responding to the Fed, and yeah, it'll be interesting to see. But at the moment, fairly much range bound, uptrend still intact but not driving higher, and these sort of drifting momentum indicators just reflect that. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and also click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.